I've just had some photos back from a client we did a wardrobe for a few months ago. Let's get into how this project went. We build a model of the space using our 3D design software SolidWorks. On this occasion we worked with a carpenter to design some wardrobe doors. Let's just hide those quickly and get to the Elfa. So this is the Elfa assembly we supplied. Again, we're able to talk to you on Teams or Zoom. We can share our screen with you. If you really want to know how your wardrobe is going to look, your shelves are going to look, this is the way to do it. Accurate 3D modeling. Let's just hide that. That's what we supplied and fitted, and the carpenter followed on behind us with his doors. Very quickly, let's look at the finished project. There we go. Nice wardrobe doors, nice Elfa interior. Another project finished.